Hello everyone, welcome to this tutorial of the single invoice from the multiple sales and purchase orders Odoo app by BrowseInfo. So basically this app lets you create the one consolidated invoice from the multiple sales order and the purchase orders all with single click. So there is no more opening each order manually and simplify your invoicing process and save time instantly. So for the first step, I have already configured my database over here and I'm just moving forward with the purchase module. And here I'm just selecting the purchase orders and I'm just selecting the three purchase order which are not invoiced yet. And I'm just going to click on this actions button, and here you can find one option, create single invoice. So here you can see one wizard will open and it will show like if you are going to create a single invoice, so the all invoice are from the single supplier. So I'm just proceeding yes. So you can see it is showing the error that we have a different supplier for the different purchase order. So now I'm just going to select the purchase order from the same supplier, and I'm just going to click on this actions button, and I'm just going to create the single invoice for the same, and I'm just going to click on the yes. So here you can see the one invoice is created for the two purchase order. Here you can see one smart button for the two purchases for which we have created a single invoice, and I'm just going to confirm the same. So you can see the one single purchase receipt is created for the two requests for quotations, or we can say the purchase orders. So now I'm just moving forward with the sales module, and I'm just going to create the new quotation for the same customer. So here you can see I have created a new quotations for the same customer, and I'm just going to click on this action button, and I'm just going to select the same customer for the sale order, and I'm just going to proceed further, and you can see the single invoice is created for the customer, and you can see one smart button of sales order for two sales order for the same customer. It will create the single invoice, and and here you can see our sales orders are fully invoiced. So with the help of this single invoice from the multiple sales and purchase order, you can easily generate a single customer invoice or a vendor bill from multiple sale orders or purchase orders in Odoo with just one actions. It streamlines the billing, reduce the manual work, and boost the efficiency. If you have any questions or doubts, drop them in the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to the BrowseInfo channel for more Odoo related tutorials and updates. Thank you.